Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the 9060 by New Balance and designer Joe Freshgoods in the Penny Cookie Pink colorway. It comes in a pink, peach and purple cloud themed box with MB branding and Made For Us written on its side. Inside the box comes your shoes wrapped in JFG and New Balance branded pink paper. They included an extra set of white, teal and cream laces, which was a nice touch, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. These released back in May 2022, sporting premium materials like the plush, ivory, cream suede and pink blossom mesh underlays. Details like the cross-stitch quilted cotton liner adds to its luxury theme. I like the hits of teal on its tongue, heel midsole and outsole. JFG branded pink cloud insoles were a great addition, but the embroidered inside voices at the heel stole the show. The 9060 model combines elements from the 990 series with bold runner designs from the early 2000s. Expect great all-day comfort and stability with his layered absorb sole. Sizing-wise, I stay true to my US 10, which is a UK half size up, and they fit perfectly. These aren't a 2 pairs minimum, but they are perfect for the summer. The 9060 model is surprisingly lightweight, but these are just a little too chunky for me. As usual, purchase links will be in the YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment cookie to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.